friends, welcome to Hallie's bedroom. Now we are in here for a specific purpose, and that is to go through her wardrobe and take out everything that doesn't fit, which I think will surprisingly be a lot. I also just saw, as I opened her wardrobe, she's got a big box of clothes down the bottom that I haven't vacuum sealed yet. So we're going to start with that and then go through her wardrobe. And this will be great because this will be a good indicator of what I need to get her for the next season. And I think that will be another vlog, shopping for baby clothes. So you know that one's going to be fun, but let's dive into her wardrobe. I'll show you first how it's all organized and then we'll start vacuum sealing things. Okay, her wardrobe is a little bit of a mess because I haven't touched it in an awfully long time. But this is what we've got here. This is a terrible set of drawers from Amart. Would not recommend at all. It's terrible to put together. It's not very good, but that's what we've got. Up here is all miscellaneous storage things that are very unorganized. That's a problem for a later date. We're focusing on the clothes today. Now, here is all of her current clothes that fit her. Here are all of her dresses, and then we have a few dresses over here that are like size 2 and 3 that don't fit her yet, but will fit her. Look at this cute one that Andy got her when he went to America. Are you kidding me? I think this will be good for summer and this will last her for quite a few years. It's a size 2 to 3, but lengthwise it's quite good on her, but yeah, it is quite baggy. I don't know if you can see under here, big pile of stuff that I've chucked there that I'm like, we'll deal with that later. The other things we need to tackle, drawers. In the top drawer is pants, t-shirts, jumpers. And then in the second drawer is like shorts, togs, sleep suits, singlets, bits and pieces like that. Third and fourth drawer are just like miscellaneous items. Again, unorganized. We're just focusing on clothes today though. Here is the box and here is my helper. I believe this is all 00, 000 things in here. Maybe a few. No, I think it's all 00. She was in 00s for a good, probably like six-ish months. So we have a lot of clothes in here that I haven't vacuum sealed, and I thought I did. I'd obviously only vacuum sealed her 40 stuff and her 30 stuff. So on to vacuum sealing the 20 stuff. There's some cute things in here though. Look at that. Oh. I just got these from Kmart, but I'm now thinking that I should have bought 2 packets. But there's 4 bags in here, 2 large, 2 medium. So let's start. This little dress from Cotton On Kids was the very first outfit I ever bought. Just as we started IVF, I didn't know if I was going to have a girl or not, but I have a gingham dress just like this. And I was like, you know what? If I do have a girl, I want to match. And we did. And she wore this. And it was super cute. Super, super cute. Are you getting in the box now? This was my favorite little summer romper to dress her in. This was just from Cotton On Kids as well. It has had its fair share of spillages. To be honest, I think that would probably almost fit her now as like an oversized shirt, but I'm going to pack it away in the bag. This was her little dedication outfit from Arabella and Rose. So, so sweet. So sweet. It's got spew stains on it because of course it does. And this was her first Christmas outfit that my sister-in-law made, and she made matching ones for all of the girls. All right, let me give you a close-up of how I have things currently organized. These are like cardigans, tops. There's a few rompers there that I need to pack away. Dresses over here. Again, we need to go through the sizing of these dresses, overalls, and then dresses that she doesn't fit into yet. In the top drawer, we have pants, shirts, jumpers, and then bows, hair ties, things like that. And I've just got these clear plastic dividers in this drawer, which is fantastic. In the second drawer, I have the linen look compartments, and I need to swap these out for the clear plastic dividers because they are so much better, because as you can see, these things don't exactly fit. We've still got a gap there. Togs, miscellaneous items, like bloomers, shorts, pajamas, jumpsuits, onesies, and then singlets. Okay, literally like every single one of her t-shirts needs to be replaced. These are all size 00 or 0, and Girly Pop is firmly in a size 1. Now pants wise, she's actually fine with pretty much all of these. Her legs are quite stumpy. She's a tall girl, but she's not like in the legs. So all of her pants are actually perfect. I know that they all fit her. Jumper wise, this one is too small. Top drawer, done. In the second drawer, I just have all of these little cutie sleep suits that are size 0 and don't fit her anymore. So they just need to be packed away. Okay, the last little bit is all of the hanging things. So I know this top still fits her because I just bought it. Cardigans are all fine. This top is slightly too small, but the set, it still fits. It still fits. Cardigans and jumpers are all still good. This little romper I don't think is going to fit by the time she can actually wear it again, so we're going to put that away. Same with this little romper. She's not going to fit it by the time summer rolls around. This one she will. This one is a size 1. That one will be fine. This one, I don't think she will fit that one. Disappointingly, it's so cute though. So we'll pack that one away. Same with this one. She got this one for Easter. It's not going to fit her. And then we have these 2 dressy tops, which are flowy enough that will fit her. This was like a top dress. Same with this one. So they will go cute with some shorts this summer. These ones, I think she was already kind of growing out of them. They are so cute though. They're from Goldie and Ace. This little dress, this one will be too small for her now, I think. Although, yeah, it'll be too small for her. Just looking at her. This one I think will actually be all right. Nice little winter one. Or that with, where is it? That? You kidding me? That's so cute. This little dress will be too small now because this one was 9 months, but it's a Ralph Lauren one, and I find their makes are quite small. This is my favorite one at the moment. This is a little by G one. That will still fit her. That's fine. This one will still fit. That's very cute. This one still fits. This is from Trotters in London. How gorgeous is that? Another little Ralph Lauren dress. That one still fits her. I found this one in a secondhand shop. This one definitely still fits and will fit through summer. This one still fits. In fact, she hasn't even made it into this one yet because it's quite a big make for a size 1. And then, like I said, we've got her other overalls, which still fit her. Okay, look at that. Whole bags worth. 2 whole vacuum seal bags done. We have cleaned out her wardrobe, and now the fun part, we get to go shopping to fill up her wardrobe again. That is Hallie's wardrobe all cleared out and done. Should we go shopping tomorrow? Maybe we should go shopping tomorrow. We're definitely going to go shopping in an August vlog for baby clothes, so stay tuned for that. But thanks for tuning in to this vlog. Thanks for just all of the love on the consistent vlogs. I am loving doing this every day as well. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.